how to make your clothes last? That is maybe the question you are asking, and in today's video, I will definitely give you the answer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again. If you are new here, welcome. I am happy that you see my video and I hope you will like it. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So as I said already, we will talk about how to make your clothes last. I think you already are maybe really annoyed that some of your clothes kind of surprisingly is not lasting long enough and then just like as it could be. Maybe there are some reasons why it doesn't happen, and I will talk about some of the reasons why it may be so, because, well, if I put it very generally, it all comes down to taking good care of your clothes. And let me tell you, sometimes we can be a bit lazy when it comes to this. So I'm sure some of the tips will really help you think maybe if some of the mistakes is exactly what you are doing wrong. So tip number one is how to get rid of the piling on the sweaters. Obviously, it doesn't happen only on synthetic materials, but also like when you have cashmere sweaters, you will notice over time pilings and pilings. And luckily, we live in a modern era. You can use this kind of electric remover of piles, and the piling will just go away. And if you don't have this one, you can purchase it obviously for, I don't know, like $5 on eBay, or you can use razor, but obviously you have to be really careful with the razor so you would not make a hole into your sweater. So really carefully. Okay, another tip would be save your clothes from sunlight. You know, I like to dry my clothes outside, especially in summer, and the sun is really strong. And if you have clothes that is colorful, obviously then the color will fade away with time. It doesn't matter when it's white, obviously it's exactly opposite. It should make it even brighter. But if you have colorful clothes, definitely store it from sunlight. It doesn't apply just to drying, but if you have I don't know, apartment and you don't have like closet that's with doors, but you have your clothes just on a rack or like outside, and through the window the sun rays have the depth as well, so definitely think about this. Another tip is, don't get me wrong, here is for the messy persons, and it just like not everyone is, perfect. So I know some people really have this problem, but don't wear white or basically anything in light colors when you know you're gonna eat something that could destroy your clothes. Like some, I don't know, it could be even red wine, it could be bolognese spaghetti, some food that would destroy your clothes. So try to think and wear something in dark colors if you know you're like a clumsy person, so it may save you your clothes. Next tip is, it's not really like a tip indeed, how to make your clothes last, because that is, if you really like something, buy it twice. So that isn't indeed making it last, but actually using another piece. But I think this is perfect, especially for basics like, I don't know, basic t-shirts, I don't know, underwear even. If you know it's really good quality, buy it twice, because maybe you will not run into such good quality or that specific piece you love again. So definitely, why not? I mean, if you wear white tees all the time, that can be a great example, because I think there's never enough white t-shirts, right? So why not get it twice, right? Next tip is choose natural fabrics. You definitely heard me say this already before, but it's so logical and I cannot stress this enough. Like, buy one cashmere sweater for, I don't know, 150 bucks instead of, I don't know, six sweaters from H&M, like 20 bucks each. Definitely in the long run, the cashmere sweater not only will look better because those cheap materials you will put it in the washing machine, and after one wash, okay, I don't want to exaggerate, maybe after 2-3 washes, it will just look way different than what it looked like when you bought it. So definitely natural fabrics, go for it. I know, as I say, maybe from the first time it will be like, okay, yeah, I could get six sweaters from H&M instead of this one that is from cashmere. But in the long run, it's definitely a better investment to invest in natural fabrics. It will last you longer. Therefore, I think you're saving environment in that way and being sustainable, cautious. And also in summer, plastic fabrics make you smell awful. It can be, even some materials can feel really itchy, and you will hear me telling you this forever. So I'm not telling you just like get rid of everything that is like plastic or like, plastic fabrics in a way in your closet, but definitely try to be building your closet from natural fabrics so we can be a bit more sustainable. Another tip is wash your clothes gently and only as much as it needed. I know everybody has this different, but you don't need to wash your jeans after every time you wear them. Definitely not. You will really destroy them this way very early. So, as I said, just wash it when it's needed, when you can tell, okay, I had enough times, it needs to get washed, it's dirty, just like don't wear dirty clothes, obviously. But as I said, I think jeans, it can be even some sweaters. It doesn't need to be washed every time you wear it. And also with drying clothes, it's always better to dry it outside if you have the possibility to dry it outside, because the drying machine will destroy it because the fabrics get thinner. And I think it's really hard when you have kids and you have lots of clothes, but even if you cannot put it outside, try to dry it like inside in the air, because tumble dry makes the fabric shrink and also it loses color, and as I said, the fabrics get thinner. So already the washing machine is hard on the fabrics, so putting it into dryer is even worse. So also always read one of the labels. That's, I hope, a no-brainer. How you should wash the specific clothes, because I know oftentimes by some materials it happens that you wash it on a wrong cycle and then goodbye, nice sweater. So definitely read the instructions on the labels as well. Another tip is protect your clothes from sweat. Um, you don't want to maybe talk about this, but I will show you. I have these kind of pads. They're from eBay, and they cost like, I don't know. It was in a package of 10, I don't know, like 10 pairs. And you just like stick it on your clothes, so it will prevent from you like destroying the clothes, right? So definitely this is a good tip, especially obviously in summer. I think you can get these also in a drugstore. As I said, I bought these on eBay. But it's natural, especially in summer, we sweat a lot, so this can be a good saver. And the last tip I have here is the hanger devil. I know many of you don't have the right hangers in the closet, and sweaters are one of those pieces that you should not hang but have folded in your closet, because it will destroy right here on the shoulders and it will have the marks from the hanger. And if you use especially like those hangers who will be too wide, or there will be like plastic, it can destroy your clothes. And I don't mean just sweaters. In general, I would mention just hang your clothes properly, really invest in good quality hangers. I recommend getting the velvet hangers, and also give your clothes space in your closet. Get it some breathe, some fresh air. Obviously, don't forget to declutter your closet. It will make your life easier. Also, okay, so these are the tips for me today. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. For me, it was the tip with the washing. I definitely was guilty of this one, of washing clothes too much. And I will be very happy if you like this video, that you will give it a thumbs up. And if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, and you will get new tips and tricks on style and fashion every week. And I will see you in my next one.